Can we take a movie?
I'm not experienced.
Say, Auntie, we're taking a movie of Cameron. Where'd you see him with Brody? You laying with the baby? Are you trying to hold his hand? What? A talking? We're taking movies. They're talking to each other.
Okay,
Oh, don't kick. Don't kick. Not nice. Say, Mommy, we're taking videos.
Oh, okay. Oh, you are? Liam wants to lay next.
Liam, come too?
Baby in there. Okay,
Yeah,
hang on.
it's going to be.
Oh, I'm going to have a panic attack. Hey, you got to get closer. Yeah. You're
I can't
okay,
put it
buddy.
on YouTube if you're going to do it.
Take that one. Take that one. Take Brody.
Look, it's a taco.